This question asks us to write a simple Python program to display an employee's information given her or his personal details such as name, age, address, phone number, and occupation. We're going to define a function and we'll use an escape character as well. So let's define a function employee. In this function, I'm going to pass in 5 parameters: name, age, address, phone number, occupation, corresponding those characteristics above, and then I'm going to return a string saying employees info is this. Let's put a string. Okay, so here we have an unresolved issue here. The Python detected this error because it cannot differentiate this single quotation from these 2 quotations around the string. That's confusing. To resolve this issue, you need to put an escape character such as / here, and as you can see, the issue is now resolved. So let's continue. I want to make mention of all those 5 keywords here. So name, age, address, phone number, and then occupation. Now I'm going to format this string. To do this, I need to put curly brackets around those keywords that I want them to be placeholders, like this, with the curly brackets. Make them clear that these are control keywords and I want to use them later. And then you put F right at the beginning and you see that it's now formatted. So we can now use that function employee, and then here I'm going to pass in 5 arguments. I'm going to say, for instance, Jane Doe, and then for age she's 35, address she lives in Los Angeles, California, and then phone number 1346189, and then occupation is she is a manager. Okay, so now you can run this function, and there you go. Employees info, Jane Doe, this 35 of Los Angeles, California, phone number and manager. Now you can do one further step. You can say, basically, I want to make this statement more clear with putting name, age, address, phone, then occupation, right behind each one. And now you can print it again, and there you go. Name, Jane Doe, age, address, phone, occupation. Okay, it's more clear now. Let's make separate line for each one of these characteristics. For doing, and then for this, I'm gonna use \n right behind each one of these. As you can see, and now I'm gonna run it again. There you go. See that each one is now on a separate line. You can basically write this program in another way. This time, I don't want to pass in any parameters. I want to keep basically this parenthesis empty, and I want to do it in another way. Say name equals John Doe, and then age, he is 35, address, he lives in Los Angeles, California, and then his phone number is this, and then occupation, I'm gonna say he is a manager, and obviously this should be a string. And now you print it. Basically you put a print statement. That's the function results, right? So say name, age, address, phone, occupation. If you do this, and you can call the function now, employee, this one, and you can just run it, and there you go. You see that it's another way to do this, just another variation. That's, I think, all about it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.